everybody, welcome to the Solus stand here at Gallagher Estate, where we will be showcasing at the Solis and Storage 2026, showcasing our new launches of residential batteries, high voltage batteries, and also some new product ranges in terms of our inverters.
The ESS market is really booming across the sub-Saharan African region, and we expect a strong year-on-year growth in the whole industry. So the different segment of these particular storage solutions ranges from residential, commercial, industrial, and soon to be utility scale solution. At the moment, Solis is really now getting it right on the C&I solution and our residential solutions by launching products that are much more aligned to these specific market requirements.
I'm very excited about the new FlexCore range. It looks super cool for both residential and commercial market. Yeah, I'm quite excited about it and quite looking forward to the release of this range.
Right now, I think that Solus has a significant advantage in the market. It has some technology that really makes sense to the South African market specifically. We look at the new 125 kilowatt base system. We look at some of their grid-tied 150 kilowatts. They seem to hit the right spot, the sweet spot, if we can call it that. But more importantly, the technology is really conducive to the South African environment and the kind of industry that we support in this country. So Solus for us is one of our key products, not necessarily the only one, but certainly one of the key products. And we so far enjoy their support, their reactive time, their ability to supply products, in these difficult times has also been quite key. And of course, having multiple distributors around to sell you the product. But I think one of the biggest key issues here is that when something goes wrong, they don't shy away. You don't phone the distributor, you phone Solus direct, and Solus gives you the support. And that's what we need as an engineering company that deals specifically in power engineering. What we need to keep our customers happy, what we need to keep our company happy, and that's why we choose Solus.